as we scroll back in time, you can see here we have the 200 on top of the 64 on top of the 32. This period is a downtrend. Now in the 4-hour bar, it's quite a bit easier to look at and see the weave. In fact, you can see the market weaving here and also right here. And as we scroll back even further, you can see several places. Here's the weave. Remember, we're looking for the moving average to cross again and again and again. It should be very easy for you to identify a weave. In fact, this should be obvious to you that the market is not weaving. The market crossed once here and then crossed once there. It looks completely different from this area where the moving averages are very, very close to each other. You can see another area where the market tried to weave, but notice that the moving averages don't cross. The red moving average stays below the green moving average. Let's continue. You can see here again, the moving average crosses once here, and once here. This is not the weave. On the other hand, here, the moving average crosses here, here, again, here, here, here. See how it crosses multiple times in a very short period of time? Quite a bit different than this area here, or even this area here. Let's continue. Again, crosses once, twice, 3, 4, 5, crosses again and again and again in a very short period of time. This is the weave. When you look at it here, this is not. Notice how the moving average got close, but it simply didn't cross. As with over here, moving average got close, but it didn't cross. The important thing to remember here is this should be easy for you to identify. If you look at something, you should immediately be able to tell whether it's a weave or not. For example, this area where the moving averages cross 1, 2, and then almost cross, this should be obvious to you that the market is not weaving. So let's go back to our daily chart. How then do we identify the trend? Remember, if the red is on top of the green, which are both on top of the blue, we have the uptrend. So if we were following along, you'd want to circle on the daily uptrend. Next, we want to look for the Fibonacci levels and the logical points. Now, the Fibonacci level is a very simple tool. Remember, there's an in-depth explanation on the Insider Code kit. But for now, I'm going to go over a very simple way for you to pick your Fibonacci levels and to decide where to put the tool.